religious festival of India. Makar Sankranti, Pongal, Basant Panchami, Mahashivratri, Holi, Buddha Jayanti, Eid ul Fitr, Rath Yatra, Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami, Onam, Ganesh Chaturthi, Navratri, Dashahara, Diwali, Guru Purab, Christmas. Makar Sankranti. On Makar Sankranti, the sun entered from Capricorn sign and entered Capricorns. For this reason, this festival is called Makar Sankranti. Goddess Sun is worshipped on this day. Pongal. In South India, this festival is celebrated as Pongal. The festival of Pongal is also a festival of crops and farmers. Pongal means to boil. Pongal, it is the name of the prasad offered to the sun by boiling jaggery and rice. Basant Panchami. It is a Hindu festival. Goddess Saraswati is worshipped on this day. Mahashivratri. Mahashivratri festival is celebrated on Falgun Krishna Chaturdashi. On this day, Lord Shiva was married to goddess Parvati. Holi. Holi is an important Indian and Nepalese festival celebrated in the spring. This festival is celebrated on the full moon of the month of Falgun according to the Hindu calendar. Holi is a festival of colors. Buddha Jayanti. Buddha Purnima is a major festival of believers in Buddhism. It is celebrated on the full moon of Vaishakh month. Gautama Buddha was born on the day of Buddha Purnima, the day he attained enlightenment, and on this day he also attained greatness. Eid ul Fitr. Eid ul Fitr is the first day of the Islamic month of Shawwal. Rath Yatra. The Jagannath Rath Yatra festival is dedicated to Lord Jagannath, an incarnation of Lord Vishnu, his sister goddess Subhadra, and his elder brother Lord Balram. Jagannath Rath Yatra is widely celebrated and is one of the largest festivals in India, where lakhs of devotees participate in the Rath Yatra and receive the blessing of Lord Jagannath. Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a Hindu and Jain festival celebrated annually on the full moon day of the month of Shravan. Raksha Bandhan is the famous festival of brother-sister relationship. Raksha means protection and Bandhan means bound. On this day, Raksha Bandhan sister pray to God for the progress of her brother. Janmashtami. Krishna Janmashtami is the Janmotsav of Lord Shri Krishna, who was the 8th incarnation of Vishnu. Onam. In Kerala, there was an Asura king named Mahabali, in whose honor pupils celebrate the festival of Onam. Onam is celebrated for 10 days. During this snack boat race is accompanied by Kathakali, dance and songs. Ganesh Chaturthi. According to Puranas, Ganesh was born on this day. The Hindu god Ganesh is worshipped on Ganesh Chaturthi. A large statue of Lord Ganesh is installed at many prominent places. This statue is worshipped for 9 days. Navratri. The word Navratri is Sanskrit word which means 9 nights. During these 9 nights and 10 days, 9 forms of Shakti goddess are worshipped. In Gujarat, the Navratri celebration are known as Garba and Dandiya. Vijayadashmi or Dashera. Lord Ram killed Ravan on this day and goddess Durga conquered Mahishasur after 9 nights and 10 days of war. It is celebrated as the victory of truth over untruth. That is why it is called Vijayadashmi. Dhanteras. Such in the belief, Lord Dhanvantari appeared on the occasion of Samudra Manthan with the nectar kalash on the day of Trayodashi of Krishna Paksha of Kartik month. Hence, this date is known as Dhanteras or Dhan Trayodashi. Diwali. On the day of Diwali, King Ram of Ayodhya returned after his exile of 14 years. Ayodhya people lit ghee lamps to welcome Sri Ram. Since then, Indians celebrate this festival of light with joy and gaiety every year. Guru Purab. Guru Nanak Dev Ji Guru Purab, also known as Guru Nanak's Prakash Utsav and Guru Nanak Dev Ji Jayanti, celebrate the birth of the first Sikh Guru, Guru Nanak. Christmas. Christmas is an annual festival commemorating the birth of Jesus Christ, observed primarily on December 25 as a religious and cultural celebration among billions of people around the world. National Festival of India. Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Ambedkar Jayanti, Nehru Jayanti. Republic Day. Republic Day of India is celebrated on January 26 to mark the day when the Constitution of India come into effect. Independence Day. India's Independence Day is celebrated every year on 15th August. On this day, in 1947, the residents of India gained independence from British rule. It is the national festival of India. Gandhi Jayanti. The birth anniversary of the father of nation of India, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as Bapu or Mahatma Gandhi, is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti on 2 October 1869. This day is also celebrated as World Non-Violence Day. Ambedkar Jayanti. Ambedkar Jayanti or Bhima Jayanti, Bhimrao Ambedkar, also known as Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, is celebrated on April 14 as a festival across the world, including India. Nehru Jayanti, Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November in India to commemorate the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.